Let's see how we can use these custom values inside WordPress. Uh, Here we have a shortcode lcw underscore custom underscore value, then a parameter key equal. Uh, we place the key name from the contact value, uh, from the custom value. This is the key name here. Uh, let's create another one. This key name is app underscore name. Let's copy this one, and I need to update the key name app underscore name. Save it. Our custom value, this custom value name is calendar 15 minutes strategic call. Calendar ID 15 minutes. This is 15 minutes strategic call, and this app name output should be the app name. If we reload, we can see this is the output of this shortcode, and this is the output of this shortcode. So easy.